In this series, we are talking about how to cover your event yourself. It's about mic event, meetings, conferences, workshops, leadership meets, summits, these things. We have talked about which source to not miss, how to take candid pictures, how to make your event look premium. Now, one important thing which is done in every event. It's called group pictures. So, what's the objective? You are, as a photographer, your role is to pose the people. How you will do it? Imagine if there are 50 people, I'm sure not everyone is of same height. Start by sending tallest people to the back. And one more thing to note down here is whenever you are doing on stage photography, there is a LED wall or lighted scene in background. Make sure to make people come forward. Tell them to take steps if there is a space. If there is no space, we cannot do anything. If there is a space, tell them to move forward, forward, forward. Perfect. So the tallest people are on back. It's not need to be tall, 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 tall. Little less, little less. It can be mixed. Even mixed is better, which makes zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. So what's the next most natural arrangement for the group pictures? Making other set of line, not one people front of other, moving slide, like two people here, one people here. Arranging in this background, we'll again make one more zigzag, 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 and one more if we have done this. These all makes good composition in group pictures. And if you have to take picture, make sure to remove the clutters from the background. If there are some temporary things, podium and all, try to get it removed before taking the picture. Branding shots are important. Branding should be there, but unnecessary clutter not required at all. You can move standees too. Like if standees are there or they are outside, bring them. Keep both sides, here, left and right, facing the camera. So the details will be there in photograph. And if you don't like that part, you can crop it. So now people are arranged 2 line, 3 line, whatever required. Some people sit down too. Not a big issue. What to do now? What are the instructions? The first I do is tell them to keep your back straight, point your feet, toes towards me. Don't blink your eyes on 3, 2, 1. First picture is not good. So again, I say we are going to do it again. Blink now, don't blink on 3, 2, 1. Done. Most of the time, second picture is good enough. Everyone's eyes are open, but your job is to check in camera and your intuitions will tell if someone blinked their eyes there during picture 2. But it's not over yet. Before they move, you have to take some steps back, some forward, and take 3-4 pictures of the same thing. After 3-4 pictures are done, say, hold on, change your camera to video mode and start recording just little bit, moving towards them and say something related to the event on the count of 3, 2, 1, like we are going to say your company name or some tagline which they are doing. You might have heard across the whole event what they are saying as reinforcing. So you will have video, there will be some movement in video, heads up or moving your hands or showing like this, or if they are holding something they will show it. So following these principles will make good group picture. Now one more part which I will cover in next video is taking picture of subgroups. There are groups, large group, 50 people, 60 people, 100 people. There are some subgroups too. People from this region, people from that region, that level, this level. So those pictures are important too for marketing of event or for their need. So here I am taking opportunity to introduce my service, video editing on demand for events. If you have captured your event, I cannot fix group picture if it's bad. But what I can do is you give all the footages and images. We here in Bangalore would make it into final polished product, final video ready to use as marketing asset. So the details are in description. You can call me, WhatsApp me or check the website. If you are hosting your event in Bangalore and want me to shoot photos and videos, the same steps. Details are in the description. Thank you.